So at Miami Hair Institute, we specialize exclusively in hair restoration surgery and hair loss, and there's no other procedures being done here. All of the physicians are board-certified dermatologists and have a combined 50 years of experience. We specialize in all forms of hair restoration surgery, including FUT strip procedures, as well as the ARTIS robotic FUE procedure, which is the most technologically advanced method for hair restoration available today. A hair restoration procedure involves taking permanently growing follicles from the back of the head and transplanting them into the balding or thinning areas where they will grow for a lifetime. The first step of the procedure is designing the hairline or the area to be transplanted, and this allows the patient to interact in this artistic, very important phase and clearly outlines what will be accomplished during the day. The patient is given an oral sedative and local anesthesia, like a visit to the dentist. Depending on the donor method chosen, we isolate the naturally occurring hair groupings called follicular units from the back and sides of the scalp and store them at 4 degrees centigrade in an advanced cell storage solution like what is used for an organ transplant. In the balding or thinning areas, tiny openings no bigger than a hypodermic needle are made at a precise angle and orientation that will determine the direction of hair growth. The follicles are then gently inserted with a special instrument into tiny openings one by one. The transplanted hair sheds within a month, but the roots remain, beginning to grow permanent hair at 3 months, with visible results at 6 months and the final results at 1 year. Miami Hair Institute has performed more robotic hair restoration procedures than any other clinic in the United States. To learn more about our clinic and view our before and after results, please visit our website at www.miamihair.com or call us at 305-448-9100.